Hi guys! In this video, I am going to review the top 5 best weightlifting wrist hook straps just for you. Here, I have tested 5 different best weightlifting wrist hook straps to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So, let's get started.
Product number 1. Gymreapers weightlifting wrist straps, neoprene padded with 18-inch cotton. From the moment I started using the Gymreapers wrist straps, I noticed a clear improvement in my deadlift and row sessions. The padded neoprene wrist support makes long workouts comfortable, which is huge when training intensively. They are long enough to wrap around heavier bars multiple times, giving a secure grip that kept weights from slipping even when my hands got sweaty, a common issue with other straps. The cotton is durable and holds up well over time, so I didn't feel like I had to replace them often. I could push heavier weight without worrying about my grip giving out, which is exactly what a good lifting strap should do. Compared to budget straps, these feel more refined, definitely worth the price for serious lifters who want reliable performance and comfort.
Product number 2. Harbinger padded cotton lifting straps, classic Neotech cushion design. My experience with the Harbinger padded cotton straps was genuinely impressive, especially considering how affordable they are. The Neotech cushioning around the wrist relieved pressure during heavy pulls, making sessions like deadlifts, shrugs, and rows feel more controlled and comfortable. I also found the extra length and width helpful when wrapping thicker bars. The contact surface felt solid and didn't twist under load. Compared to some other straps on this list, the Harbinger pair provides excellent grip performance without costing much. They aren't as heavily padded as neoprene alternatives, meaning they don't feel as plush, but that also makes them lighter and less intrusive. I would recommend these if you want a good balance between comfort, durability, and price, especially for everyday weightlifting without needing premium cushioning.
Product number 3. Beast Rage Advanced Dumbbell Bodybuilding Lifting Straps. The Beast Rage straps impressed me especially for versatility and strength workouts. Whether I was doing dumbbell rows, deadlifts, or shrugs, the padded cotton build gave solid support and helped extend my sets without my grip failing first. These straps feel robust and reasonably comfortable right out of the box, which isn't always the case with cheaper alternatives. They wrap snugly around the bar and don't slide, even when the training pace heats up. In terms of price, Beast Rage sits comfortably in the mid-range. Compared to super cheap wraps that fray quickly, these stand up much better and feel more reliable. Against premium models like Gymreapers, they might be slightly less comfortable over very heavy sessions, but for bodybuilders and intermediate lifters, they are an excellent choice, giving big bang for your buck. If your priority is comfort plus grip for varied lifts, these deliver without breaking the bank.
Product number 4. Kofoff Weightlifting Deadlift Powerlifting Adjustable Wrist Straps. The Kofoff wrist straps stood out in my routine because of their adjustable design and padded support that works well for heavy powerlifting sessions. They feel sturdy on the wrist and make it easy to lock in a secure grip, especially on deadlifts and rows where grip strength matters most. The double-layer leather and neoprene padding increase durability over prolonged use, making me confident to push weight heavier than with standard cloth straps. In terms of price, Kofoff usually sits slightly above basic cotton straps but below high-end premium brands, which makes them a great middle ground. If you value durability and adjustable fit, especially for repeated heavy lifts, these give excellent support and are great for both beginners and experienced lifters alike. The only note is that leather takes a little breaking in and might feel firmer initially, but with time it becomes more comfortable without compromising strength. For the price-to-performance ratio, this is one of my top picks for serious lifters seeking durability and control.
Product number 5. FitGrip Lifting Wrist Straps for Weightlifting, Deadlift, Workout. Using the FitGrip straps, I noticed how well they manage grip on everything from heavy deadlifts to high-rep rows. The straps are made from premium cotton with padding that feels comfortable without adding unnecessary bulk. Their grip is enhanced slightly by silicone texture, helping the bar feel secure even when hands sweat. As someone who likes versatile and comfortable straps, these balanced support and flexibility well. Compared to the Harbinger pair, FitGrip feels a bit more cushioned and slightly better suited for longer sessions, though they may cost a bit more than basic models.
They don't quite match the neoprene padding comfort of gymreapers or Kofo's rugged build, but they hit a sweet spot for everyday lifters looking for comfort and dependable performance.